Yo guys, I had drip. I'm just like Arthur Morgan. Yes, my favorite hair. This is my drip. Just think about this. I'm also going to the red carpet thing. I haven't even been to verify there's something. Why am I so white? Why am I so white? Guys, please question that I don't know. I just woke up. There. See you guys. I'm gonna be posting the next video. Peace out. Auto check.